from the water, everything feels effortless. No fixed bridges and direct access to the intercoastal and to the open ocean.
Stimulate me with your mind and your intention. Got me feeling
Along the serene New River, this deep water frontage offers room for a 65-feet yacht designed for owners who values freedom of movement and true boating lifestyles. Arrive by water, depart without limits.
Nobody sees it in me like you do. Nobody gonna love me quite like you.
Welcome to 1601 Southeast 11th Street in Fort Lauderdale, where luxury meets the water and every arrival feels intentional. From the quiet rhythm of the waters to the elegance of shorelines, this is Fort Lauderdale's living, and it was meant to be experienced. A place where morning begins with the open horizons and evening returns home in calm. Opportunities like this don't come often. Direct ocean access, one of the Rio Vista's most desirable waterfront streets. Whether you're looking or envisioning a refined renovation or the foundation for a future waterfront estate, this estate and this address offers endurance value. 1601 Southeast 11th Street in Fort Lauderdale, where vision meets location.